The health benefits of freshly squeezed orange juice. Imagine starting your day with a glass full of sunshine, freshly squeezed orange juice. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a natural powerhouse of nutrients. Unlike boxed alternatives, fresh juice is free of additives and packed with nature's pure goodness. Let's explore why it's worth the squeeze. Fresh orange juice is a fantastic source of vitamin C, which helps fortify your immune defenses. Just one glass can provide your daily recommended intake. It's the perfect ally for fighting colds, flu, and infections while keeping your body strong and ready to take on the day. Antioxidants in fresh juice combat free radicals that damage cells in your body. These nutrients can help lower inflammation, reduce the risk of chronic illnesses, and maintain healthy, glowing skin. Drinking it regularly gives your body the tools to stay youthful and energized. Oranges contain potassium, a key mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, improving heart health. Freshly squeezed juice also contains compounds like hesperidin, which may reduce cholesterol levels. Every sip supports a happier, healthier heart and keeps your cardiovascular system in good shape. Fresh orange juice provides natural fiber, if some pulp remains, to support digestion and prevent constipation. Its low-calorie profile makes it a healthy alternative to sugary drinks, keeping you hydrated without extra guilt. Plus, it helps fulfill cravings for something refreshing without compromising your diet. Store-bought juices are often loaded with added sugars and preservatives. Freshly squeezed juice is pure, natural, and unprocessed. This ensures that you reap all the health benefits without unwanted additives, giving your body the right kind of fuel it deserves. Making fresh orange juice is simple, affordable, and time-efficient. All you need are fresh oranges and a basic juicer, or even your hands. Enjoy it in the morning during breakfast, or as a midday pick-me-up for a nourishing energy boost. Ready to transform your health one glass at a time? Say goodbye to sugary store-bought drinks, and hello to the natural goodness of freshly squeezed orange juice. Subscribe, share this video, and start squeezing your way to better health today. Don't wait, your body deserves the best.